Tongaland, also called Amatongaland, was not created on a single founding date. It developed over centuries as the traditional homeland of the Amatonga, Tsonga-speaking communities living along the coastal plain between present-day northeastern South Africa and southern Mozambique. Historical records identify it as an independent kingdom before colonial rule, although its boundaries changed over time. A brief timeline. Before the 1700s, Tsonga-speaking communities, including the Amatonga, had long occupied the region around Maputo Bay, Kosi Bay, and the coastal plains. Cambridge University Press and Assessment, 17th-18th centuries. The area became associated with the Tembe Kingdom and other local chiefdoms, forming what Europeans later called Tongaland. In 1887, Britain declared Tongaland a protectorate through a treaty with Queen Regent Zambili. On 11 June 1895, Britain formally annexed Tongaland. In 1897, Tongaland was incorporated into Zululand, which later became part of Natal. The original extent of Tongaland historically, Tongaland included much of the coastal region stretching from Kosi Bay in present-day northeastern KwaZulu-Natal, northward into southern Mozambique around the Maputo area, westward to the Lubombo Mountains. Today, much of this region is commonly known as Maputaland, although the older name Tongaland is still used in some historical and scientific works. This video is for educational purposes. Please like, share, and repost this video so people can know which tribe is the original inhabitants of S.A. Danko, Tsutsuma de King African Tsonga Cowboy.